Alright guys, I got a question for you guys. How does an elephant brush his teeth?
With elephant toothpaste, of course. So we're going to make some real elephant toothpaste that is going to be used. Alright, so we start off.
So here we have hydrogen peroxide, which is a chemical, so make sure you're always safe when you're using chemicals, and talk to your parents when you're doing this.
Alright, and then you add your well-known dish soap. How many of you cleaned the dishes before? Alright, so we have Alright, now whose favorite color is red? Thank goodness, because we're doing red first.
We got a show for you.
Alright, so notice how at first nothing's happening. It's pretty normal, just liquid. And right here we have our second liquid, sodium iodide. Now watch carefully when we mix two liquids, and something amazing is going to happen. Okay, actually, hold on. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way so you can see. Yeah.
Hold it up.
You guys ready?
Yeah! Whoa!
Nothing at first, nothing at first. Wait for it. And... Alright. Do you see this? Now, does anybody know what the term exothermic means?
Where it gets really hot.
Yep. So it releases heat as the chemical goes. Alright, so who wants to double the size?